Hello everybody, how are you? Welcome back Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. Today's video is very special for you because in this video we are going to show you baby crochet new dresses. Which type of dresses your baby should use and which type of dresses can be useful for your babies. Dear viewers, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe now so that you can find each and every new video for your benefits. Here are some reasons why babies should use dresses. First one is the softness. Crochet dresses are made from soft, breathable yarn and gentle on baby's sensitive skin. Because babies have very sensitive skin, so the softness is very important for baby skin. Second version, comfortable. Crochet dresses are often loose fitting and allow for easy to movement, making them comfortable for babies. Warmth. Crochet dresses provided warmth without being too heavy, perfect for regulating baby temperature. Eco-friendly. Crochet dresses are a sustainable and eco-friendly option, reducing waste and supporting slow fashion. Unique. Each crochet dress is one of kind, making baby stand out in a crowd. Personalized. Crochet dresses can be customized to fit baby size, style, and personality. Easy care. Crochet dresses are often easy to wash and dry, making them a practical choice of parents. Affordable. Crochet dresses can be made on a budget, reducing fashion expenses. Support small businesses. Buying crochet dresses from independent makers support small businesses. Heirloom quality. Well-made crochet dresses can become treasure family heirlooms. Promotes slow fashion. Crochet dresses encourage slowing down and valuing quality over quantity. Develop sensory awareness. Crochet dresses can stimulate baby's sense with texture, color, and softness. Encourage self-expressions. Crochet dresses allow parents to express their personal style. Special bonding experience. Wearing a crochet dress can create a special bond between parents and baby. Photography prop. Crochet dresses make adorable photography prop for capturing precious moments. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful videos. Remember, crochet dress offer numerous benefits for babies, from comfort and softness to sustainability and uniqueness. Adorable and cute, soft and cozy for baby skin, breathable and comfortable, easy to move around in, perfect for special occasion for everyday wear, can be customized to fit baby's size and style, makes a great gift for new parents. affordable and budget friendly. Dear viewers, with the happy ending today's video, hope we'll meet you in next video with another very smart and unique ideas. At the same time, you should share and like our video. Thank you for watching.